5 reasons to hodl your Bitcoin despite the bearish market. Next on your 4-Minute Crypto Show. Today's show is from a post by Christina Convent at Bitcoin. It's brought to you by BitBlockBoom. Take a look at this great Bitcoin conference that I'm bringing to Dallas, Texas for the 3rd year in a row at BitBlockBoom.com. This is going to be our best year yet, and I hope I get to meet you in Dallas. Now, forget the recent bearish momentum and Bakkt's disappointing launch. Here are 5 reminders why you should still be hodling your Bitcoin. Reason number 1, Bitcoin is more secure than ever. At the end of last month, despite an extended period of sideways trading, Bitcoin hit its first ever 100 quintillion hash rate level. Why does that matter? Well, the hash rate shows the overall computing power that the miners are dedicating to processing Bitcoin transactions. The more hashes there are, the stronger the network and the more money it would cost to manipulate it. The hash rate has almost doubled since September of 2018 when it was around 55 quintillion hashes per second. Reason number 2. Bitcoin has over $7 trillion in value in its short existence. Bitcoin has already transferred over $7 trillion in value. Some $3.2 trillion of that was from last year alone. To give that some perspective, that's the same as the gross domestic product of Japan and Germany combined. Reason number 3, miners earned $14 billion in value in August. Coinmetrics put out a report revealing that Bitcoin had paid more than $14 billion in value to miners for securing the network. Now, most of this has been over the last 2 years, since it took 8 years to reach $5 billion. All the indicators are that mining profits will break $15 billion in early 2020. Reason number 4, Bitcoin's massive return on investment. The price may be on a downward trend, but that doesn't detract from the fact that Bitcoin has still outpaced every other asset class this year. It beat oil, gold, and stocks to generate a massive 268% return on investment in just 6 months. And we all know what Bitcoin is capable of for those of us who've kept the faith. Reason number 5, Bakkt's launch is still historic. Bakkt's launch may have been disappointing, but that doesn't detract from the fact that it did actually launch. Bitcoin has been given the historic stamp of approval from the New York Stock Exchange. Now, while many people thought that institutional investors would come flooding in through Bakkt, their tardiness doesn't mean they won't cross over when the time is right. And when they do, it will be extremely bullish for Bitcoin and its price. After all, institutional investors control the sweeping majority of all global investment dollars. Even if a very small percentage of institutional dollars move into Bitcoin, the price would explode. So what do you think about these 5 points? Let me know your thoughts in the comments as always. And don't forget to subscribe to this show at 4minutecrypto.com/subscribe for a new episode every weekday morning. I'm Gary Leland, the Crypto Podcaster, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Crypto Show. This has been a CryptoPodcaster.com production.